Hi, I'm Amos Gilbertson at Bricks by the Bay 2016, and I've built the an RC Lego missile launching truck. So first we have to turn it on, up there, and we have the control. So I can drive backwards, forwards. If I just press the trigger here, that comes up. And I can flip this switch, press the trigger again, and the legs come out. Once the legs are up, or out, crank this knob, have it come down, fold out the little feet, do the same on the other side. And then we can fire the missiles using the skull and crossbones. My favorite technique in this mock is, you see how I had to have the Technic's lift arms line up with the studs? I used some jumper plates to get that half stud length. So this truck also has little stoppers to go out in between the wheels to keep the truck from rolling back when it shoots. And it also has a little bit of suspension, so go like that. As I mentioned earlier, there's the driving feature, and it can turn. Alright. And if we set up a person, then we can shoot at it.
Circle.